core. So like a traditional bird dog, you're gonna have weight on opposite arm and opposite leg. So I'm gonna start with my right leg down, left arm down. We're gonna bring the right arm out to the side if you can manage that. If you cannot, then stay stationary on both arms until you can complete that. Back leg is pointed, our elevated leg is pointed, so the left leg is pointed. You're gonna be bringing that out to the side, tap, and take back. We're going for 10 on each leg. Like always, as we start, right? Again, if you need to be stable in both arms, tight hip will 5 or half, and then transition. All right, switching. Pointing that toe.